Hey guys, it's Katie, and today we are doing a no equipment abs and booty workout. These moves are gonna help really lift your booty and round out that shape, as well as tighten up your core. I've been seriously so inspired by the Winter Olympics. We're like halfway through right now, and those athletes are in insane shape. So all of the moves we're gonna do today have been taken from the different winter sports, and they're really good because what we're gonna do is use like a little bit more strengthening techniques, slower, more controlled to help build that muscle. And then the exercise following that is gonna be faster so you can really burn fat and burn calories. I am representing the USA with my Olympic leggings. Yep, what? Again, you don't need any equipment, just yourself, so let's do this. All right, so our first move is gonna take like total athlete focus. Like you gotta focus. We're gonna go slow and controlled. It takes a little balance too, which if you're at home and you have a countertop or something, you can absolutely use it. But this is our like on the ice skaters double lift, right? So we're gonna start almost like a single leg deadlift, but for doubles. So bending into your right leg, your left leg is gonna be your foundation. This is where you gotta lock in that core super tight. So squeeze around your belly button like you're wringing out a sponge. Get it engaged. Keep a little bend in that standing leg. You're gonna hinge forward, but you wanna make sure you keep your back flat. So as you hinge forward, reaching the crown of your head forward and extend that leg behind you. You're engaging the glutes, so this move is really, really good for your booty, but it's also amazing for your core and those lower abs. Bring your hands down in front, so find that balance. Then you're gonna exhale, bend the knee as you come up, arms overhead, like you have your little ice skater partner up in the air. Then bring the elbows down and extend the leg back. Squeeze the booty. Exhale, lift up and bring it back down, inhale. So this is the one move, if you're at home and you do have weights available, you absolutely can pick them up and add them in if you want to. But take some time here and really get used to the move first. Exhale, inhale, good. You are gonna feel it in that standing leg like nobody's business. Whoop, mind your balance. And if you ever get off balance, just get right back into it. Squeeze the booty as you extend and point the toe. Then hinge, squeeze everything tight. Squeeze the abs as you bring the knee up and arms overhead. Whoop. All right, take it back. Exhale, lift up. Sometimes having weights and moves like these can actually help you with your balance as well. So again, if you have them, you can grab them. Take it back. Let's do two more. Together, nice and slow, up and back. Last one. Ooh, that standing leg is feeling it. And take it back. Okay, shake it out. Give that standing leg a little break. Now we do have to do the other side though. So this leg will get a break, although you're still gonna be engaging the booty. And we're gonna switch sides. So now my right leg is my foundation. Little bend in that knee, bending deep into the opposite knee. I'm gonna hinge back. Arms come down, point the toes, squeeze the glutes, keep those hips square to the earth, then bend the elbows, and hoist that person overhead. All right, good. Now take it back, squeeze the booty, and exhale, bring it up. You're gonna feel everything working here, from those glutes, right to below the belly button. Inhale, and exhale. Sometimes the hardest thing you can do, you guys, is slow things down. And I think this is probably one of those moves where you really actually can feel that and understand it, because it takes so much focus to stay balanced. You don't have momentum helping you, just me and you. Woo. Now imagine doing this on the ice. Like what the heck? On a tiny little blade as you're moving. Oh my gosh, I don't know how they do it. Exhale. I fell on my bum just snowboarding in Aspen last week. So ice skating, I don't know. Take it back, bring it up. At least not with someone in my arms. One more time. Exhale. Okay, full round. Woo. And overhead. Okay, shake it out. Now this leg gets a break. Shaky, shaky, shaky. So ice skating, check. Now we have speed skaters. So this is that part where you're gonna get your heart rate up more, burn fat, burn like calories, get your cardio burst in, still working the booty and the abs. So you're gonna hop, place one leg behind the other, kind of getting into a squat, like a curtsy squat, arm reaches overhead, and switch sides. You go right to left. Use that breath. Squeeze your abs in tight as you're bending down. Stay low and keep your chest lifted. Right to left. Try to pick up the pace a little faster. Woo. And if you want to challenge yourself, don't set that back foot down. Just go, bah, bah, move it. Real big speed skaters here. Right to left. You have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, woo, 1, and shake it out. Inhale, exhale. We get to go on the floor now. Woo. Now hurry, went up fast. Okay, on the floor. Jamaica's got a bobsled team, so does the USA. And we're gonna do little bobsledders. So, on your back, take a big inhale. Exhale it out. You're going to come up, lifting your shoulders off the mat. If this is too much, hands can go behind the head, but I want you to try to reach toward your heels. So you're gonna lean to the right, lean to the left. Shoulders stay lifted, keeping space between your chin and your chest. Exhale. Slow and controlled. Right, left. Really reach. Feel those obliques working. We got it. Right and left. Whew, how fun would bobsledding be? That'd be so fun. I used to love that movie. The only thing I've done like close to that is tubing. I feel like it's kind of similar, but probably not really. You don't have the same control. Whew. Right, left, squeeze. Again, you can always place one hand and then switch if your neck starts getting tired. And I hear that a lot, and I totally remember days when I'd be like, I don't feel my abs at all. I just feel it in my neck. You gotta get those abs nice and strong. So if you need to support the head and neck for now, as you develop those muscles, it's totally okay. Just use that hand for that little extra support. Let's go 5, 4, 3. Squeeze the abs as tight as you can. Last one, and exhale, let it go, big stretch. Big breath. We have one more cardio burst, and that's it. So coming up on your toes. This one, again, on the mountain. So we had our 2 on the rink, 2 on the mountain. These are our ski jumpers. I'm a snowboarder, but these look really fun, so I could take up skiing just to try this out maybe once. So knees bend, arms behind. You're gonna hop to the opposite side laterally and bring those arms with you. So as you hop up, arms come in front, get low, booty, right? And jump, jump side to side. Exhale, try to get as high as you can, as low as you can, and move as far as you can, side to side. Keep those feet close together. Good. Woo, you got this. And don't forget to breathe. Come on. If the Olympic athletes can do this for like hours and hours, you can do it for 10 more. 8, 6, 5, 4, 3. You got this. And done, let it go. Woo, shake it out. Ha, ha. All right, so take a minute, let that heart rate come down, and if you're feeling really strong and super motivated like I am from these Winter Olympics, do this 3 more times for a full out workout. And if you have those weights at home, try picking them up during that first move for our double lifts. You're gonna really feel it. You'll get more benefit in your booty, in your abs, and get more of that burn as well. And watching the Olympics lately, I've been thinking so much about the fact that they train for 4 years to get to this competition level. And I know in our own fitness and health journeys, like we want results immediately, and it's so hard to not want to see something change right away. But it takes time and consistency to really see that change happen, which is exactly why they get to the levels they do, is because they're consistent every single day. So if you are not already, sign up for the LSF daily workouts. You're gonna get free workouts every single day to give you something to do that is going to help change your body, change your mind, and help you see those results you're looking for. And if you like this workout, sweat the thumbs up, give it a little click, comment below with your favorite move, and I'll put that link below for you as well to get signed up for the free daily workouts. And don't forget, good things come to those who sweat, like Olympic gold medals. So we'll see you guys next week for another awesome workout. Bye.